Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk through the install on your rear bumper for your Polaris Xpedition. For preparation for the installation, we've gone ahead and removed the tailgate and the exhaust for a better camera angle. You don't necessarily need to remove the exhaust, but it'll help give access to the mounting brackets. First step in the installation process, you'll go ahead and mount your brackets to your unit using your M8 hex head bolt followed by a washer and your M8 flange lock nut. To make the installation a little bit easier, I've gone ahead and lifted the bed up just a hair to take the weight off of it to make it easier to slide your bolts through the frame. Your brackets will be designated by either a D or a P. D stands for driver, P for passenger. With your driver bracket roughly in position, we'll go ahead and mount our passenger side bracket the same way. For the next step, you use a 1/4-inch drill bit to pre-drill holes in the rear of your unit to prepare for your self-tapping screw to install threads in. With your bracket pulled up into position, the next step, you'll use your thread forming screw to place threads in the holes you just drilled. Just a reminder, when you're using your thread forming screw, you go nice and slow so you make sure you get good threads. And also keep your hardware loose until you have the main shell of the bumper all fastened up before tightening everything. With your threads started on all your bracket holes, you can go ahead and install your 5/16 button heads. With your brackets fully installed, we can move on to installing the shell of the bumper. For this installation, we chose the optional light kit. If you do not go with optional light kit, you'll provide cube light covers. You'll use 8 1/4-20 button head screws. You'll tighten them up with a 7/16 wrench. It's easier if you go ahead and install it before mounting it to the bike. So we're going to go ahead and install the lights now. With the cube lights installed, you can go ahead and fasten your bumper shell to your mount brackets. You'll fasten your bumper shell to your mount brackets using 10 3/8 button head screws. With all 10 of your 3/8 button head screws started, you can go ahead and tighten these evenly before moving back up to the mount brackets and fully tightening those. When you're ready to reinstall your tailgate, you're going to have to remove this factory drip lip to avoid it from hitting the mounting brackets. Once you remove the factory drip lip, you'll reinstall the T40 bolts that hold the tailgate together. With your drip lip removed, you can go ahead and reinstall your tailgate, remembering to hook up your camera if applicable. With the tailgate reinstalled, you're ready to install your light harness, and you're ready to hit the trail.